Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to allow everyone to display GIFs on your profile in the Telegram app on your PC. Telegram has added a new update that lets you control who can send and show GIFs on your profile. And today, I'll guide you through the exact steps to make sure everyone can send them to you. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the right account before moving forward. Once the app is open, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three small lines stacked on top of each other. That's the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. A side panel will slide open showing several options. From there, click on Settings. Under the Settings menu, you'll find many different sections that allow you to manage your account, chat preferences, and security controls. For this tutorial, choose the option called Privacy and Security. Now, scroll down until you find the new feature called GIFs. This is where you can manage who's allowed to display GIFs on your Telegram profile. Click on GIFs, and you'll see a few options like Nobody, My Contacts, and Everybody to make sure anyone can display GIFs on your profile whether they're on your contact list or not. Select the option that says Everybody. By doing this, you're giving all Telegram users permission to show their GIFs publicly on your profile. Once you've made your choice, click on the Save button to confirm the change. Telegram will quickly update your settings, and that's it. You've successfully allowed everyone to display GIFs on your Telegram profile. Now, anyone who visits your profile will be able to see the GIFs you've received, adding a fun and personal touch to your Telegram experience. If you ever change your mind, you can repeat these same steps and adjust the visibility back to My Contacts or Nobody.